do you do when someone looks good on paper, but is a total opposite in real life?
Jeez, that's a good one. Somebody look really good on paper, but then they start working with you and you're like, oh my God, this person, that's not what I was expecting. It wasn't working out. This is why it is so important to do the trial period with your assistant. You have 7 to 30 days to make it work, and that's gonna really tells you if this is somebody you wanna keep or not. So any assistant that you're working with, first thing you wanna do is tell them, listen, I love what we have right now. I wanna do a test trial to see how we do together, how we work well with each other. In the next 7 to 30 days, this is gonna determine how well do we do, and then we're gonna reevaluate if you're gonna keep working with us. All right, once you do that, that puts you in a position where now, not only they know that they're being tested in trial, but also you could see how they actually work. You could see if they're good at what they do, or if what they see on paper is not the same as they're doing right now. So what I want you to do is have that conversation with them, right? Hey, listen, I don't think this is working out. Let's go our separate ways. This ain't for you, or I don't think we're the right fit, right? It's easier to have that conversation early on than to let it drag on, and you're losing money. You're paying somebody every single week. You keep working with them, hoping that they get better, but they're not. That first 30 days will tell you everything you need to know about them. If you like this type of content, like, comment, share below. And by the way, if you need our help, click the link below and our team member will be more than happy to help.
Okay, so I wanted to ask you, what's a good business model when starting a business?
To me, one of the best models to have when starting a business is a recurring revenue model. All right? A lot of people start a business, they charge one time up front, which is fine. You're trying to test it out. But if you can create a recurring revenue model, meaning somebody's paying you every month or every quarter or every year for doing something for them, that creates predictable revenue. With predictable revenue, you can actually grow. So I'll give you some examples. Let's say you are a videographer, right? Instead of just doing one project, if you know you're gonna be working with that person for a year or 2 years, maybe create a membership club for them, where now they're part of your exclusive group and they can pay you a flat fee every month, every quarter, for you to just come in and do content for them every single month. Make sense? Or if you have maybe selling a product, the subscription model is a recurring model, right? Where now the person can get their product every single month or every single quarter, where now it's coming in every single month. You want that predictability in revenue, that helps you out a lot. So to me, that's by far one of the best form of revenue model for any business, because it's predictable. It comes every month or every quarter, every year. You can expect it as long as you're providing great service. And guess what? You're less on edge because you don't have to start from scratch the next time. So if you're looking to build a business, I recommend you use that model. Now, in the beginning, what might be tough for you is starting with that model because you may not know what you're doing yet. Then you may want to charge how you charge, but you want to get feedback from your client base to see what would work for them, so you can create a model that is recurring for you.